covered. So these are centennial bags. See, they match the Indian.
Hey, maybe your exhaust bracket's in here.
Check out those gas caps up there. They got centennial on them too.
100 years of Indian?
That's what they're claiming.
Is this a exhaust bracket?
Or wasn't Indian gone?
These must
for
be
like
the stock fucking the crap that
majority
hangs
of
off the front.
100 years?
I'm guessing this is the crap that came off. This looks right like off a Honda. Is this a Honda mirror? It sure looks like it.
It's an Indian mirror.
Rivets.
Well, we need those for something.
They say arrow on them. It goes with the Indian theme.
This must be the bolts that go through the holes right here that are missing. Okay, well those have to go in the bag on the bike too. Is that a left or a right? How do you know the difference?
Oh, the Indian head is this way, so I would assume it goes on this side.
I bet you it doesn't.
Let's check out what's in the other one.
You know, if we put the bag over this, we won't know anything else about
supposed to be
this.
watching your back. Oh.
If we put the Indian bag on it, we won't be able to tell anything wrong with it. The back of the bike will look good. Hey, what happened here? You lost. You ripped one of my things off.
No, I didn't.
That was on there. What happened to it? Did you rip that off?
No, I did not.
Isn't that like just a coin?
On
Isn't
this
there a
one.
coin? Like
It's one of
that
these.
looks like that?
It just fell off. Look at that. It's not there now.
Liberty.
It was there earlier. Get on
You
the
got
floor.
a cable.
You got a condom. These are rebuild parts.
Yeah, looks like.
Look, I got a sleeve.
You got a seal.
Alright, that's cool.
A seal. That'd be a main shaft seal. That's a good part. Does that mean it leaks oil?
Probably.
It looks like there's a little bit of oil under it.
I did see there was an oil leak, but I wasn't going to do anything
What
about
else you
that.
got? You got more red bags.
That's good. I like red bags.
Lots of
They're
plastic
taped.
bags.
How about another one of these buttons that's missing here?
Wow, look at that.
That's a genuine Indian part. What the hell is that thing off of? I don't know.
You got
It probably goes to some of the
oh
crap up
my
here.
god.
Oh, we got a toolkit, factory toolkit.
Oh, dang, I thought that was going to be a pair of sunglasses.
I know.
Thought it was going to be a pair of the shades that had the wraparounds.
Oh well. It's got Indian everything on it. See, it's got Indian, special Indian gas caps. This thing's all original except for the parts that aren't.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, well, we could have used that. Now you bring it. Okay, where's the exhaust bracket? What's it look like?
Dang, now you can see what it's supposed to look like.
Now I know what it's supposed to look like. Where's the ugly bars? That's the information.
I think we need to go to emergency service.
Okay, see that? There's those ugly bars.
It's an
There's those
emergency,
ugly
yeah.
mirrors we don't like. Yeah, look at that. There's those ugly mirrors we don't like. Those are factory mirrors.
The paint looks way nicer in these pictures.
It's black and white. That's why. Yeah, but those are the bars. Those are the butt ugly mirrors.
Oh, I guess they did have these stock controls. Or,
pegs. Yeah.
yeah.
This bike's all stock except for the stuff that's not. So.
What about this oil cooler?
What are the grips? Are the grips those stupid ass chrome Kiriakin ones?
That's a pretty badass oil
Yes.
cooler right there.
Oh yeah, they are. Yep. Which what?
That oil cooler is pretty tough.
That's not stock. Is that oil cooler on the bike?
That's a upgrade.
No,
that's a
there's no oil
performance
cooler on
upgrade.
it. On any of these
Yeah,
models.
yeah, that's illegal. That shit's got to come off.
Performance upgrade
That
right
shit's
there.
got to come
What
off.
size is this motor, do you know?
It's probably an
Probably
88.
1340.
It's an 88.
No, it's an 88?
Indians always had big bores. 80-inch crank with a big bore top. 88-inch.
88.
Starting and riding procedure.
We'll be doing wheelies.
Wheelies. That's all he cared about, doing wheelies.
He's doing burnouts and wheelies.
Do you think this is stock?
Yeah.
Which-
No, I think that's is that for the disco lights?
I don't know what that's for.
So you can hook up your LEDs. So that way, you know.
Okay, well, we know
the
the-
song you're playing.
Oh, look at you got a shirt.
That's a cool shirt.
It says Indian on it.
You can take that
There's
down.
the bike.
You can take that down.
What's the exhaust bracket look like?
It's got a thunder header on it.
What's the exhaust bracket
Look
look
at that. It's. Look at that. That's the stock exhaust.
Like? It's a thunder header, yeah.
You threw it away.
That's not a stocking pipe for this bike. It was a stock pipe on somebody's bike, but not
Champions?
this one. Are those genuine Indian champion plugs?
No, but there's a champion in here. Or there
Okay.
was.
There was a champion in there once. It's probably that dirty one that I took
Oh,
out.
here we go. Here they are.
Champion.
RN14YC.
That's just a Harley plug.
You got Band-Aids.
Just in case you crash.
I needed that earlier.
Oh, okay, here we go.
There you go, in case you need to replace your brake pads.
Yes.
Well, that looks like a.
You got a backup brake.
That looks
We
like
got another one.
These look like PM pads.
Wow.
Those are good.
The battery cover? Terminal
Oh, that's
cover?
just comes
Yeah.
when you buy a new battery. It just comes with those.
So this is a set of PM pads. Good thing we kept those.
Yeah.
So in case you want to know who made those brake calipers, they're PM.
Oh, okay, here we go.
I don't think they're PM, damn. I think they're hog halters.
This is this is about how thick the PM ones are when you buy them.
Well, that's a gas tank protector.
It's
That
a
goes-
gas cap, is
It's a
what
reducer.
it
It goes up there.
Oh, I think your gas would go through the top.
There's another screw-in cap that goes up there. If you take out that one, you put these in there. These are custom.
Oh.
What do you want to
Those aren't genuine Indian though. We're not using those. Well, you make the cap smaller, it gets better mileage.
Okay, what else?
Is that-
We got more
That
pads.
works.
Do we have a set of front ones to go with the back ones?
Yes, fronts.
Good. Well,
Dang,
those,
those ones look a little bit
those
better.
are way better. Those must be the back ones.
I don't know.
Same pad, right?
This ain't bad, yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
yep. PM pads, yep. And yeah, they're wearing pretty
I was gonna
equal.
say, this is about how thick PM pads are when you buy them new.
Buy new, it's worn out already.
Oh, what's this?
Yeah, I can't
First
see.
aid kit. Oh,
Dang, band-aids.
even got a little.
Look at that, you got all the good
Bobby
shit in there.
Bobby pin. So if you get a splinter, you can get it
Yeah,
out.
see, it's a good thing. That's why you don't look at other people's underwear. See, you come up with all kinds of crap you don't care about.
Underwear. Don't say anything about underwear.
You know what you had up earlier? Yeah, that replaces this broken one right here, see? That's a lens for here. See?
Oh yeah, there you go. Well, you got one.
What holds that on? There's a screw
Now
there?
you're
Oh,
ready
there's,
for-
there's a screw under there.
You'll advertise it like just change the brakes.
So we got a new one of these, I guess, to put on here, right?
Yeah, I'll get it out.
See, at high speed, this opens up, so you know it whistles, makes noise. See?
That's the deer
It's like a
deer
train.
whistle, so you don't hit any deer.
Yeah, there you go.
You go over a certain speed.
All right, leave it over there for now. There might be something in there we need. There's a bulb in there and everything. So we can replace that if we wanted to, or just fix it. Maybe we just need to tighten the screw up.
I don't know if those things work.
Okay, I still like this pipe better than a Thunderheader. I don't care what you guys say.
No, you know best.
But I do need a bracket. All right, we got to find a bracket for it. Do you think we need a carburetor for it, or we just kind of just pour fuel in it?
That's what I do. I go down the road, I have a little bottle.
Or you just carry
Yeah.
a can of brake clean, starter fluid, starting
So,
fluid. Just
do you think
spray.
all this oil in the bike is coming from that oil cooler over there?
No, that's not possible.
Okay. So we'll just leave all the oil on the bottom of the bike.
That's
Okay.
a performance upgrade. It wouldn't cause a leak.
Yeah.
That way you always have fresh oil, like the old total loss
Keeps it
system.
from
So I
rusting.
think the next thing we need is figure out the ignition on this bike.
I thought they did that in the Midwest. They oil the bottom of their
Or
their
put the
chassis,
carburetor on.
right?
Probably should put the carburetor
Midwest
back
full
on
of
it.
salt.
Yeah.
I mean,
All right.
yeah.
We'll be back. We got two clowns around here bothering me. We'll be back.